Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is a powerful battery-powered chainsaw. I absolutely love this thing, and it is equal to its gas counterpart. So this is by a company called Ego Power Plus, and they make absolutely amazing battery-powered devices. So as you can see, here is the chainsaw set right in front of me. This particular model is their 16-inch chainsaw. The model number is the CS1613. What you're gonna get once you open it up, it's gonna come with the nice power charger here for the battery. Pretty straightforward, has a nice long plug, so that way if you have it on a workbench, you can easily get to an outlet. It does have the little holes on the bottom, so if you do wish to hang this up on the wall, you can do that as well. Just simply slide it in place. You're also gonna have the two little LED lights that will be blinking green while it's charging, solid green when it's charged, and blinking red when there's an air types thing. Now you are gonna get a user manual for all three devices. So you're gonna get a user manual for the charging station, you're gonna get a user manual for the chainsaw, and then also the battery itself. But as you can see, here is the chainsaw. So this is a nice size as far as the weight. It's pretty equal to a gas chainsaw when it is full, and that's just because of the heaviness of the battery, but it's very comfortable to hold. You have a nice handle here on the back side with the trigger very easily when it comes to your position of your hand, and then it has a little safety pin, so you'll press that down, pull the trigger, and that's going to go ahead and get it started. You also have your bracing support here up the top, so you can easily maneuver this as you need to. Now, another nice safety mechanism that this chainsaw has built in, it does have knockback protection, which is the bar right here. So if anything does come back, like a log or anything like that, it will hit this and then automatically kill the power to the chainsaw. Another great feature to restart it, just push it forward and you're gonna be good to go itself. Now you can see right now I do have the plastic protection sleeve on the blade itself. So this is a 16-inch bar chain essentially. And as you can see, nice and sharp when it comes to utilizing this thing. And another feature that I absolutely love about this chainsaw is the fact that it has a toolless, basically tightening of the chain or loosening of the chain. So you have this little green dial right here at the top. If you're doing a lot like cutting down a whole tree or anything, the chain has a tendency to get loose as it's kind of heating up and moving around. You can easily tweak it and tune it without having to go to your truck, having to go to your garage or anything like that and getting any wrenches or tools like that. Very smart design on this aspect. If you do need to ever replace the blade itself or replace the chain itself, you're gonna have another little kind of twist dial, the bigger one, and that's gonna be able to remove it, and then you can go ahead and swap it out as need be. So everything is well thought of and designed on here as well. Now on the other side, like I said, this is equal to a 44cc gas chainsaw. This thing is just as powerful. The big difference is you don't have to worry about the gasoline. You don't have to worry about mixing gas and oil. You don't have to worry about winterizing and removing that gasoline in case it goes bad. And it's also very quiet in basically comparison. It's not nearly as loud as its gas counterparts. The only oil that you're gonna have to put in here is the blade oil, which they have a little reservoir here, and that's just gonna keep the chain nice and lubricated when it is working. So that is it. And if you're using one of the little plug-in ones, now you don't have to worry about chopping that cord and having a disaster per se with electricity. So it works really well. As far as the blade itself, it goes at 20 meters per second as far as the speed, and that is powered by a brushless motor. One of the reasons it's also nice and quiet, and also really great for as far as maintenance of itself. So overall, it's gonna be able to do on the battery itself, it's gonna be able to do 220 cuts approximately. The battery, like I said, sits here on the bottom side. Simply press down on the green part and that's gonna release the battery and you can just pull it right on out, and it's their typical swappable Ego battery. So if you have any of their other appliances or devices, tools, you can go ahead and swap these out and utilize it. Pretty straightforward. It does also have the little power button on the back side so you can see how much battery life is left on the device itself, which is nice. Now this is a 56 volt 4.0 AH battery as far as as the capacity of it. But like I said, if you're doing this, you're gonna get approximately about 220 cuts of usage out of that. Unlike its gas counterparts, which usually those are just constantly running, right? This is only gonna be running when you're actually pulling down the trigger, which is another nice aspect of it. It's saving a little bit on that aspect. So overall, if you're looking for an absolutely great chainsaw, whether professionally or for your personal use, this thing is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.